Mm.
What are you doing, Meg?
Coleslaw popsicles.
That's gross.
That sounds disgusting.
Yep.
I'm gonna agree there. That does not sound pleasant.
It might be okay. You just gotta get in your head that popsicles can be savory too.
Yeah, that's something that's hard.
No.
Like the ketchup flavored ice cream and.
Oh no. Okay, never mind. We're good. Sorry, the game freaked out for a second. It was like it's struggling to respond, but we're good now. It fixed itself.
So we were just waiting for it to start.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, whoa. It all just like real quick,
Okay,
just
game
like
started.
I hear things. I do not see anything. Ah! I'm in a cabin. Oh, I'm in the cabin. Okay.
Is anyone else in the cabin?
Nope.
No, I think it's just
on the load
me at the
screen.
moment. But my game's
doing it
freaking out. Yeah, my game's freaking out, so it's
Nope,
it's
there
trying
I
to
am.
load you in.
I'm trying.
Do I have to fall out of a helicopter again at the beginning of this game?
I don't
No,
think so.
no. As long as you hit save, you should be fine. Okay, so who are we waiting on? Where's Joe?
Oh, the lag. We're good now. Joe. Kelvin, why do you look like you're stuck under a rock?
Joe, are you in?
What?
Megan?
Hello?
Uh-oh.
Hey, family?
Hello? Can you hear us? Crouch if you can hear us.
Nothing vulgar. Just me.
Oh no. Okay.
No,
let me...
she just pulled out her bag.
You have,
Give
your,
it that
you have
link.
your phone on me? Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. She's our friend.
Oh yeah, yeah,
She
that,
is?
that, Megan. We literally went over this last. Oh, okay, Brandad. My whole point just went out the window. So
You disconnect your phone.
I
from it. think
apologize.
because it's too late. I need another invite, Brandon. The green play button's not there though, so I don't know. I don't know what's different. Oh yeah. Continue.
I ran that way.
Okay. Game.
I
I think
follow.
I'm in. Is everything running fine
Let's
now? I feel
go.
like that was a
Nothing
rough
vulgar
start.
has
Yeah,
attended.
everything has attended.
I meant connected.
So what do we want to do since those two are apparently running away?
Bye.
What?
What?
Who was that?
I think that might have been Brandad.
But I didn't say anything.
No, it wasn't I. Oh no, it was Joe again.
Huh.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's still struggling to get him in for some reason.
Crowley boy.
Oh, yep.
America.
Weird that we can have Megan, but not Joe.
No, that's America.
There's a crawly guy.
I'm glad I'm not there.
Wow. Oh, what did he drop?
You
Oh,
dropped
what?
something?
Oh, I got bit.
You got bit?
Yeah. One of them snuck up behind me and bit me in the butt. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
What be this? Oh. Oh.
What in the world? Okay. Well, so what do we want? What do we want the plan to be this time then? I don't want to like progress the story without him.
Yeah. I guess we could just further build our camp or something.
Okay. Yeah, we could. It'd probably be good to put like a wall or something around it, since we're
I'm
kind of...
making a fireplace.
Because I don't think those things are going to cross the... they don't swim. So we could just kind of... Oh.
Are we certain that they don't swim?
Yeah, they'll like run through water, but I haven't seen any of them swim. So... What in the world? Megan, where did you go?
I'm just walking off in a general direction, just
Oh.
kind of look around.
Okay, I think you're heading
Oh,
back
be careful,
towards the
you're heading
camp.
towards the...
You're heading back towards
I'm
the
heading toward-
cannibal camp.
Okay,
Just
I won't
slowly
go
walk
there.
back.
Like I was trying to look around to see where to maybe build the wall, and then I saw your the letter, and I was like, wait a minute, how'd she get all the way over there already?
We would have
I'm just
heard
gonna go walk towards this mountain over here and see how that goes for me.
Oh, these
What?
things are they're stealing our they're stealing the stuff out of our trap.
The crawly guys?
Yeah. They ran up and like
Oh my gosh, hi Bubs.
they tried to lift up our trap and steal the squirrel. Okay, so do we want to do like a stone wall or like a...
We do have plenty of stone there. I noticed the stone does regenerate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, I just got some squirrel meat.
Then I shall commence the wall building.
That's so weird.
Well, yeah, I was about to say maybe don't go to the objective so that
I'm
we
not
don't
trying
accidentally...
to.
Right, I would just keep your map up so that we can maybe try to avoid progressing.
Oh. Okay, so
If
when
I
you get...
jump off the waterfall, do you think I will die?
Yes.
Probably. I would assume there's fall
I'm gonna
damage.
try it. I did die.
What in the world?
Do
What?
I need to come get you?
I don't understand what's happening.
I'm coming, Megan.
You don't have to come if you don't want to. I did kind of do this to myself.
That's okay.
Can't you... I mean, if you respawn, won't it respawn you pretty close to where you died?
Yeah, I should probably just do that.
Okay, well, I'll
Save
head towards
everybody
your
some
direction
time.
anyway. Oh, yep, there you are. I hear you, Bubba.
It's all this music.
You have music around you? That's not good. What?
Am I
Oh.
in a cannibal camp right now?
I think you
Probably.
are.
Oh, that probably...
Yeah, I am, and they're looking at me.
Coming!
They're
Whoa,
playing
look at that
music
mountain.
really
Oh,
loudly.
they are in our camp.
Are they chasing me? I don't want to look back.
There's like 3 or 4 of them all just running around our base at the moment.
Oh, I hate it. I'm coming, Megan.
Or
No,
like
don't come. It's
Hold
dangerous
on.
over here.
it may have just been
I'm
the
going
one.
back to camp.
It may have just been one, but I don't know what in the world.
We're better in numbers.
I agree.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's just like stuck on our.
Oh, I have to go get my pack. Crap. Okay. Okay, Callie. Yes, please come to me. I don't want to go to the cannibal camp
These are
alone.
some pretty trees.
This dude's.
There are some pretty trees around here.
Bubba!
Whoa, that was okay. I feel a little bad
No.
for that one. The guy who was in our base was just like I think he was just begging for his life before I killed him. And now I feel bad.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Cuz like I went up to shoot him again with the bow and arrow and he like went to put his hand up as I was letting go.
Oh.
Callie,
Yes?
come this way to
Okay.
this
Oh my
cannibal
God.
camp with me.
Okay.
That's the waterfall I jumped off of.
Man, you guys having all the adventures. I'm just over here building a wall.
It's okay.
When did
Right.
I become Trump?
Did you say Kronk?
Trump.
Kronk is significantly better
Oh.
than Trump.
True. I think we can all agree on
Kronk
that.
is probably better than everyone, to be honest.
Amen.
Nobody can up that DILF. Although he's not a.
He's not a DILF.
not a
But you know who
dad.
was a DILF? The dad
He-
in oh, what is up with the music?
I know
I don't
the
know.
music is
I don't-
terrifying, isn't it?
I don't have any music. I just hear
It's a
The-
radio.
ambient
They're
sounds.
playing music in their
and-
cannibal camp. They're playing music really loud.
Well, I mean, you know,
Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
sometimes even cannibals got a boogie. So the real question, though, is that
Why do
monster
they
still
have
around?
3 speakers?
You guys aren't even in the same camp that you had found before.
No, they have
No, this is a
5.
different one.
I
Oh,
hear-
You can turn them off.
I hear growling now. I don't like that.
I feel like if we turn them off, they're gonna come to turn them back on.
Oh, there was a spider. Okay.
Okay, Callie, let's go. Let's go.
No, we need to collect their stuff.
No, Callie, they're gonna come back because we turned off their speakers.
I want to collect their stuff.
Man, how far did
They
you guys go?
actually have
Ah!
a speaker on. It's not that bad.
They have 9mm. And circuit boards. And
I'm sure that'll be helpful at some point.
we have slug ammo. Whatever that means. Medicine? Oh, I don't want to do that.
Man, you guys are way out here. Oh, you guys
Yeah.
are also
Nope.
across, like, a river.
Are we?
Yeah, that's the waterfall I jumped off of. Okay,
I
Callie,
even-
let's go. I'm
I
scared.
found Brandon.
Okay. Yeah. Where should we go? Should we go towards the boys or keep
Yeah,
going
let's
farther in?
reconnect.
Okay.
No, let's reconnect because it's getting dark.
Well, I
It
mean,
is getting dark.
there might still be stuff for us to get to over there, so we'll probably...
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I think you guys probably want the ammo.
Yeah, you guys can. It's just over that way, Brandon.
Over the
Follow
water.
the sound of music.
Hey, the
Oh, go
three-legged
towards-
lady!
Go towards.
Yeah, she's got to be, like, following us or something.
Wait, what is that over
Tough
there?
lady.
Oh no, that's not the three-legged lady. That was a cannibal.
Oh,
What's
boy.
this over here then?
So now we're... Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's a cannibal!
It's because we turned off the music at their camp.
Well, it's also probably the fact that it's getting really dark out, and we are really far away from any, like...
Good
Where
job,
is
Callie.
this guy? Where is it? Oh.
How do you use your flashlight, guys?
We have
L.
one yet.
L is for the lighter.
Oh,
Oh.
put their own body. Oh, just stepped on her.
Ah.
So when I woke up from my sleep, I was surrounded by 10 speakers all playing different songs, and it was
Oh, it was
terrifying.
Oh,
scary.
so like, yeah, because you died, it like, oh wait, do you have your inventory bag?
I do now.
We,
There's more speakers around,
yeah, we,
like
oh
hiding
gosh.
in the bushes. Should we just make a shelter here?
I'm probably not here, but like, we should probably
It's
make,
real
I can't go
dark.
home now. I
right.
don't know how to get home now.
Oh gosh.
my gosh!
He lit a torch.
Great.
Stick and cloth makes torch, by the way.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that was a terrifying sound.
F. There we go. Oh my god, these barrels are full of intestines.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere that is not here.
Do I have stick? I do have stick. Wait.
Like,
I
do
want
you
to
have
take
cloth?
stick
What?
and
Hit a
cloth
barrel of intestines.
and craft.
Fine.
Tip it?
Hit it
Hit it?
with your stick, yeah.
Ah!
Hey, Callie, how do you make stuff?
It's so clumpy. Can you set it on fire? No.
I don't know how. Oh wait.
You
Aha!
You press
Hit
I to
I.
bring inventory, and then like what kind of items you want to add to the crafting menu.
Got a lot of C4 in my backpack.
Oh my gosh.
Why do you have so much C4? I mean, I have a bar or
I guess
two,
I
but
keep picking it up.
alrighty then.
Find a couple pieces of C4.
Hmm.
Fish, delicious.
Oh gosh. Are they feeding their horses innards?
Probably.
Horses. Who has horses?
I don't know. Well, it's like, you know, this is like a trough over here, right?
I'm gonna
Oh,
go
yeah,
this way.
Like,
just gonna
and it's
follow
just
you, Callie.
full of blood
I'm
and
gonna
guts.
just blindly walk.
That
into
is,
the
well, I'm gonna be real honest. That is the wrong direction.
I'm just following the road.
Who? Wait,
Oh, Callie, there's a bunch of them!
What? Oh my gosh!
hold on. Who? Oh, wait, guys, Kelvin's trying to catch up with us.
Ah!
There's a bunch of them that are chasing Callie.
Move
Oh!
way back home.
Yeah. We need to,
Oh
we need
my
to, we need to
gosh.
at least get across the water, because I don't think they'll try to cross it.
I killed a cannibal in the water earlier.
Oh,
Don't say that.
well.
I didn't know you guys were leaving.
W-
You
did-
didn't
w-
say, hey, let's go.
Yes, he did.
One in the camp.
Brandon literally said, "Hey, let's start moving back towards camp," and the rest of us said, "Good idea."
And the rest of
think
us
it's
said,
chasing
I
me.
run.
Guys, I think it's chasing me and I'm afraid. I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid.
Here,
I wish there was a way to like pull out a
Back
different. Does anybody know if there's a way to put a weapon in your offhand?
No, it's only used for
The lighter.
tools.
Okay.
You put your map in your offhand.
Right.
Oh, that gave
Oh
me
my
a heart
God.
attack.
It's okay, I'm in the same boat. I was also very
Oh, hey,
scared when
Calvin.
I turned around and saw cannibals.
I was just following you, Callie, and the two just came out of the woods up behind you, and I was like, no.
The other thing that got me was that they appeared in front of me.
Well.
And that was terrifying. That was a jump scare I wasn't ready for.
I think from now on we should try to be home by the time the sun sets.
Well, I mean, I would assume that's just a general rule, right? We don't have like a house icon anymore like we used to.
No, I know how to get
Uh-oh.
to it. I can recognize the pond. If
Oh,
if
yeah.
you go straight north from here, you can see the pond that we were at.
Good call. Good call.
What if we don't have a home icon anymore because they destroyed our home while we were gone?
Don't say that. Oh wait, you know
They-
why that
they-
is? It's because our the tarp that we were sleeping in fell.
Oh.
What about the house?
Right. I was gonna say the house and the bed.
I didn't sleep there or save there, so.
I did. That's
Yeah.
the only place I've ever slept or
Right.
stayed.
Yeah, I don't
Mm.
know.
So
I'm just literally blindly following Brandon. I'm so terrified.
I've just got Brandad's S in front of me, and I'm just following that.
Sounds like a plan. We'll all just follow Brandad in a line.
Deer, kill it.
Well,
I don't think stick actually does damage.
Man, we were really
that's
far
kind of
away, huh?
lame. It's on fire.
Yeah,
I feel like that would do plenty of damage.
I thought so too.
Oh man, my
guy
stamina
is
is
really
getting real.
exhausted.
Yeah, my stamina is getting
know.
real low.
He's breathing hard.
Front of camp. I'm gonna take a minute to stop here.
Oh yeah.
I found some bears.
Whoa.
Oh, a camp.
Can we just sleep here?
Yeah.
Camp.
I hear
Probably,
the
but
sound of
we're, like-
flies. That usually means that something is dead.
Yeah. We're actually really close to our base. We should keep moving.
Okay.
So we just gonna go
Everybody,
back to
did
the
everybody
base
grab
then?
everything?
Yep, I've started moving out already.
All right.
I'm getting left.
You know, wouldn't it be
Callie,
hilarious if
don't-
this is the
don't-
wrong
don't-
lake and I'm actually super lost?
Oh, yeah.
That would be bad.
I will just build a
I
lean-to
honestly,
right here.
I would probably laugh, but it would be one of those things where it's like
Yeah, none of this
funny,
is looking
but
very
not
familiar.
funny.
No.
Pretty dark. Hey, there's a
Why
guy.
am I in water?
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Someone kill this guy.
I'm the
Okay.
only one with the weapon.
Aha,
hold
he's
on.
fire now.
Oh, perfect.
There's a bunch of rocks over here. Guys, I think we went around the entire lake. I don't think this is home.
I think we're at the wrong place.
Uh-oh.
It might be because
Oh,
we
it's
were.
going farther north of us. Or
Well, let's
actually,
just
what's
Guys,
let's build a lean-to, guys.
I am hungry.
Well,
maybe
you
we'd
did
be
you
better off making a tent.
That's what I mean.
right?
I
Do
think.
we have the stuff to make a fire?
Yeah.
Because I would like to cook some rabbit meat.
Okay, well, give me a sec. Do it right here.
Oh, that didn't help anything.
What's up?
I accidentally ate the wrong berries in my inventory. I was just kind of sitting here clicking the blue ones, and then accidentally clicked the Devil's Club.
Guys, I've built a place to sleep. On the opposite side of where the fire is.
What? Why would you do that?
That's
I didn't know he
That's
was
all
building
we-
fire over there.
well,
But
our
I have
house won't
some-
burn down now.
I'm gonna get hungry and that kind of stuff after we eat and sleep, and I'm very tired, so I'm gonna sleep.
Are you building one over there, Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, whoops.
It's time
Z.
to sleep.
Okay.
Time to sleep.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm just over here munching on some raw meat.
Oh,
No, wait, I cooked it. I cooked it.
you
Let's go
sure?
sleep. I think so. I don't know how long you have to leave it on there.
It'll turn.
Oh!
We're getting killed.
Oh no!
There's a couple guys here.
Dude, straight up in a ghillie suit. Well,
He's
Just
there
running
goes
away.
there goes our tent. Whoa!
Man, we were just about to sleep too.
I'm down.
Where are you? Oh, I got you. I got you.
can. I have my spear. Oh, put my
I
spear
will.
down.
I'll be your light.
I'm down.
Okay, you're up.
Put my lighter away. My gosh.
Are we trying to sleep again? That was terrifying. They waited till we were about to sleep.
Okay. Let's run to the tent and sleep.
Where's the tent?
It's over here.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Sleep?
He's burning the corpse.
Guys, I'm stuck in the water.
Go around.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Now
heard
I'm
noises.
traumatized from sleep.
Let's sleep.
Hold on. Hold on. One moment. I'm almost ready.
Oh my gosh, I just want to sleep.
Are you making more bone armor?
No, I've already got one. I'm making more bones.
Okay, let's do that when we're awake.
Let's do it when the sun comes up, please.
Who was not sleeping?
Who's not sleeping? It was me.
No.
I is very,
Oh.
very hungry.
Glorious
Okay.
sun.
So I want to say
Bones,
that.
everybody. Go over here and take some free bones.
Yeah, bones.
I need to eat.
Oh. Oh. Okay. I apparently have all the bones that I would ever need.
Yeah, I'm out of bones as well. I'm full up on bones. I mean.
Okay, so I want to say we were pretty close to a road. Yeah, I think you're right. I think that one. What
Yeah.
direction is this pointing?
I think it's northeast is where we're trying to go. I believe the one up northeast is where
Yeah.
our base is actually.
Yeah, near that purple marker, the one right past that.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
So.
I would agree. Okay, so I'm just gonna, sippity do some of this here water. Agua. Okay, it won't let me drink water.
You're holding a spear.
Which is
You
dumb.
have to have
Right. You have to have like a tool.
Meat's done.
Soup's on.
Soup's on.
Soup.
I can't carry any more bones. I am still thirsty.
Well, keep trying. You.
Okay, I have two meats that I can put on.
Hey, look, meat.
I'm just heading back to the camp.
What? Okay, so there's more food cooking if you guys need it.
How do you know when it's done?
It'll
It
turn
turns
brown.
Brownish color.
These red ones, though, don't grab them until they're fully cooked.
Okay.
So we eat them when they're burnt.
Yes.
Not burnt, just toasted.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna
Are we
take
ready
some
to try to go home?
meds.
I'm already on the way there.
Apparently, you
Hey.
can recook rotten meat.
That probably won't be good still.
No, it did
Okay.
fine.
Multiple like options.
It
that could be our options.
well,
Go to where I'm going there.
yeah,
man.
yeah. I think Brandad figured it out. But yeah, no, it gives a little less like it satiates hunger a little less, but it still lets you eat it.
Interesting.
Yeah. I just threw it on there to see what happened. I figured it would like burn away or still be like, hey, don't eat this. Okay.
Guys, I'm still spooked from last night.
Last night was terrifying. There was a lot of jump scares.
I know.
But,
Jump scare after jump scare. For me, the scariest moment was when I thought you all were going to help me beat up those guys in the camp, and I turned around and I was alone.
he literally said, "I'm gonna head out," and we said, "Okay, good idea."
I've apparently missed that.
There was a lot of chaos happening. We're close to home!
Yeah.
I know where I am!
Hey guys, I'm at the wrong pond.
No!
Oh, yep.
Are you
We gotta go.
serious?
Yeah, we gotta go up this way.
Never
Oh,
mind.
there's a home icon now.
That's the tent that
That's
we
where we
made.
slept last night.
Oh, heck.
So this pond you're at is the wrong pond, Brandad?
Correct.
Guys,
Okay.
what if
Oh,
never
we
find
are
our house?
we're nearby. We're nearby.
There's only,
These
guys,
are the
there's only one other pond that it
these
could
are the
be.
graves. These are the graves that I found the other night before we ended. So we're pretty close.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now, if you start hearing weird beeping sounds, that means you're close to an objective and you need to run the other way.
Oh, okay. I was literally just thinking that. What is that beeping sound?
Run the other way, because you're near an objective, and we don't want to progress the story without Joe.
I think I see home.
Yeah, it looks more familiar to where
There is
There's
home.
the wall!
My wall!